I'm going to move on to a separate slide here. I've got this particular issue, which is about legal expenses. We've had a question from Martin who says, can we choose any lawyer to represent under your policy? He's talking about yours at BGI, or does it need to be one you recommend? Now, the reason I put this up is because same barrister, Jonathan Goldring, who I have an enormous respect for and who you and I both know well, has pointed out to me that under the Insurance Companies Legal Expense Insurance Regulations 1990, the insured has the right to direct who they have represent them at a hearing. However, some policies are written in a way that gets around that.
They are indeed. Again, what the insurers are trying to do is limit their exposure rather than not pay claims. And I think that's an important thing to understand. The way that our policy does it is to pay a limited percentage of the individual's choice of barrister. So I think it's 40% currently. Sometimes it can be more than that if going to that barrister might actually produce a better result than going elsewhere.
So if I want to use a barrister and it costs £50,000 a week, I'm going to be paying a significant proportion of those fees?
You will indeed.
Right, okay. And if I don't choose my own barrister?
Then all of the fees are paid in accordance with the policy terms.
Okay. That's probably as much as saying, no, you can't pick your own legal representative, isn't it? Because no one's going to be able to say, well, all right, I'll pick up the £30,000 of these fees.
It depends really on the nature of the claim. Mm-hmm. I think it's one of those things where the insurers cannot promise everything all the time because the clients wouldn't want to pay the premiums.
Yeah.
And therefore they have to draw a line. Yeah. And different insurers will draw that line in slightly different ways.